So friends, welcome back to another video in the marathon series. Today I am going to introduce you to one of my friends, Jaideep Shetty, who is such a disciplined kind of a marathoner. In fact, on a daily basis, he runs quite a large distance, and that is his daily routine, and really admirable. I want to ask him a few questions about what motivates a person to run a marathon or to have such a tight regime on a daily basis. So let's hear it from Jaideep Shetty.
Hi buddies, this is Jaideep here. We're talking about how to motivate yourself to train. So let's begin with how do you plan your training. You find in the morning you have a couple of appointments, afternoon you have a couple of meetings you have lined up, and in the evening you have planned an outing with your friends. Now you try to squeeze your training between this daily task. It will be possible sometimes, it will be impossible sometimes. You need to plan your daily task around your training. Your training has to be one big constant of your life.
So, Jaideep, what time of the day do you suggest that one should run? What is your recommendation?
I would suggest morning time, early morning time. So when you wake up to run in the morning, your head is clear. There are no complexities of the day. No phones, no electronics. It's just you, the ground and the feet. You just get up and just go. You can buy some wonderful running gears. That will make you feel guilty and maybe you'll become more regular. The best would be joining a running group.
So, Jaideep, perhaps people have already seen one video on why to follow a pacer. So, any experience where people are running together and looking at people's pace, we start following, and then there is a issue because we start following each other's pace, which may not be natural for us.
As a beginner, when you start training or when you run a race, you always find that people around you are running very fast. And you try to catch pace with them, and they seem to be very comfortable when they're running, and you're not comfortable when you're running. So try catch pace with them, and when you feel you're breathless, you're not able to catch your breath, but still those people are still running comfortably, then you realize, oh, this is not for me, I cannot do it. Has anyone faced this? I have faced this. So when you're running, you have to run at your particular pace, where your breathing is normal, where you're comfortable running, and where you're enjoying the run. You should not look at anyone else who is running with you or in front of you. As you become regular, this running will go into your psyche. Running will be mystical for you.
So, what can inspire an individual the most, and what can keep a person inspired throughout for a marathon?
Each run, whether it's a race or a regular training, when you're nearing the completion, you find that you're tired, dead tired. You'll be literally crawling to complete it. But as soon as you cross the finishing line, there's a sense of achievement and that stays. It boosts your confidence. The daily task during the day will become very simple in comparison. Because the struggle which you put through in the morning will help you solve issues during the day. If you begin a day well, it ends well, and you look forward for your next day's training. Running also makes amazing friends, friends for lifetime, and that motivates you well enough. There are some health benefits, everyone knows about that. But there are some emotional benefits of running that just Google that. It talks about self-confidence, it talks about stress busters, increases relaxation, and sharpens your memory. So just wait for the lockdown to ease and just hit the road. Happy running.
Thank you very much, Jaideep, for providing us with this kind of tips. The rigor that you follow with quite ease may not come that easily to most of the people. They will be maybe required to slowly build upon it, and you have built it over a number of years, that we understand. So thank you very much for sharing your thoughts. Viewers, please do subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss upon any further videos. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye till we meet again.